friends. Welcome back to English Vish. I have a question for you. Can you speak English right now? Yes, right now. Not in a test, not in class. Can you answer a simple question out loud? If your answer is no or not really, then this episode is just for you. Today, I will share one of the easiest and most powerful daily habits to speak English fluently. No teacher, no grammar books, just you, one question, and your voice. It's called the question of the day habit. If you do this every day, your English will start to flow naturally. You will speak faster. You will make fewer mistakes. And most importantly, you will feel confident. What is the question of the day habit? It's simple. Every day. 1. Choose one simple question. 2. Ask it out loud to yourself. 3. Answer it out loud in full sentences. That's it. You don't need anyone else. You don't need a class. You don't need grammar books. If you do this every day, your brain will start thinking in English. Your speaking will feel natural. You will sound more confident. Even this small habit gives big results. Why it works. 1. You practice thinking in English. 2. You practice forming real sentences. 3. You get used to your own English voice. 4. You don't need anyone else. Fluency is not about knowing everything. Fluency is being able to say something without stress. The more you answer questions, the easier it gets. How to do it. 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a question. Start with something simple about your life. Step 2. Say the question out loud. Don't just think it, speak it. Step 3. Answer out loud. Use the words you know. Don't worry about mistakes. Step 4. Repeat and improve. Say your answer again. Add a new word or fix a small grammar point. That's it. Only 5 to 10 minutes, but very powerful. Let's practice together. Example 1. Question. What did you eat for breakfast? Answer. I ate eggs and toast. Now make it better. This morning I had 2 eggs, toast with butter, and a cup of hot tea. Example 2. Question. What are you doing today? Answer. Today, I'm recording this podcast. Then I'll go for a walk and cook lunch. Example 3. Question. How are you feeling? Answer. I'm feeling good. I had a good night's sleep. I'm excited to record this podcast. Example 4. Question. What do you do on weekends? Answer. On weekends, I usually relax at home, watch movies, and cook food. On Sundays, I go shopping. Example 5. Question. What is your favorite place? Answer. My favorite place is the beach. I love the sound of the waves. It helps me feel calm. Now it's your turn. Say your answers out loud. Come tips to make it easier. Keep a notebook of questions. Write one question for each day. Examples. Oh, what's your favorite food? Oh, what time did you wake up? Oh, what are you learning right now? 2. Repeat your answer 2 to 3 times. Each time, make it a little better. 3. Record yourself. Listen and track your progress. 10 practice questions you can try today. 1. What time did you wake up today? 2. What do you usually eat for lunch? 3. What do you want to do this weekend? 4. Who is your favorite person in your family? 5. What kind of music do you like? 6. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Why? 7. What did you do yesterday evening? 8. What is one thing you are good at? 9. What's the weather like today? 10. What are you learning right now? Great. You just answered 10 full questions in English. Final words. The question of the day habit is small but life-changing. You don't need a classroom. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need 5 to 10 minutes, your voice, and daily practice. Do it for 30 days. You will speak more naturally, confidently, and feel proud of yourself. Thank you so much for listening to English Vish. Step by step, question by question, your English will grow. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.